There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal.
It's gonna do everything. It's gonna be like your grandma's favorite peanut butter cookies on a hot summer day. I like that. Hey. Welcome back, guys. This is Cristallo team right here presenting to you our upcoming event.
3 words, the Nude Satan.
Where else? The Nude itself, June 19th, Queen West, babes.
We featuring Winnie with the Venco Spring Summer Collection. They got some real pretty stuff this time of the year. It's gonna be a nice surprise for all of y'all.
Hosted by the beautiful Lisa Monet.
She also performing. She pretty.
Heard that.
All types of music spending with Dennis R. and Isis Salam, from top 40 to hip hop, R&B, house, and mashups.
And tickets are going to be sold in Queen West and in Yorkville, selected stores. Check out our Facebook page to see those details. Because we guys love you, we're offering our tickets first 100 at $5. After that, guest list only.
And don't forget, Much Music Awards on the same day. You do not want to miss out. People gonna be buzzing, city gonna be live. Make sure you're on that guest list.
Boom. Apart from it all, you guys know how we do. Come experience the Cristallo way.
Burns, burn, and it burns, burns, burn. The ring of fire, the ring of fire.
Break it down. Jennifer, be quiet. We're too quiet.
What's happening, B? How you doing? Cristallo, baby. That's what it's about.